Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkBook 14s, and in this video I will show you how to enable battery saver in order to make your device work longer. So to do that, let's open the Start menu, then go to Settings, and then select System, go to Power and Battery. And here you can expand this tab with Energy Saver. And to enable Energy Saver immediately, just switch this toggle right here. But you can also choose the Energy Saver to be enabled automatically once once your device reaches some certain level of battery. And you can also change this switch to lower the screen brightness when your device is in battery saver mode. So for example, if it's enabled, then the screen brightness will constantly be this dark, and if you disable it, it will stay the same, but all the other settings will change. And so that's how you enable power saving mode on your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.